Hey traders! I hope you're having an absolutely great day today. Looking at the charts, Aave is looking massively bullish this week. It is currently trading right around the $94 to $98 range, but the big question is, what's next? Are we looking at a pump, or is this a trap? Well, I've got you covered. An Aave quick scalp trade setup for all members has just dropped on the Patreon page. You definitely do not want to miss this one. Join now. The link is right there in the description and the comment box. And as always, guys, please do your own research. Happy trading!